Oh man! Oh man! Do you see this? It's so much hail! Oh my god! You can't even see Manhattan. Oh man!
It's the first time since I lived in Florida that I saw hail somewhere. It's gone already. But
Yeah, it's melting fast.
the good news is it's cold.
Yeah, at least it's nice and cool. You seriously can't even see Manhattan. Holy crap. I just looked up and looked outside and like outside was all gray. Wow. That shit cray. Okay. Are you okay, buddy?
No.
Are you okay, Munchkin? Come here. Come on. Jump up. Good boy. You okay? Are you okay?
No, I don't feel. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
It's okay, buddy. You're okay. It's just thunder. It's just thunder.
He's just under.
I wonder.
Okay, but say bye.